Hey guys, it's me, Superwolf73. I'm back with my friend, Cute Sorella. See what she has in trade? Yeah. Okay. She has a non-member sword. She just told me when I already had one. This time I'm gonna have her through the whole video. Play. Okay, well I guess she's leaving for a second. Okay, she's a crocodile. Oops. Okay. I guess I'll change my animal too. What should I change into? I don't really know. Ah, sorry about that, guys. I don't know, I just want to be her. Oh wait, where'd she go? No, no, where'd she go? Oh, she's up there. I want to change my outfit actually. What did I have on the last time? Oh yeah, it was that. Not much. Nothing on my tail. I'll just keep it black. Oh wow, I wasn't typing anything. She's still changing. There's my beehive. Go click at it. Bees. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, okay, I did it. Oh. Okay. Let's see how many other fins are online. Oh, my friends.
you know, I told you not to make it. Okay, I want tax records, I want sanitation records, and I want building code inspectors. Last 100 years, okay?
I guess I'll just go do whatever. Let's play Calling Pippins. Well, I'll play it, of course, you watch. Ugh. Usually I stay in the same spot unless I really have to move. Okay, wow. It's so weird on how they make noises. It's like that. Oh, I was so close. Okay, well, while I get my friends, I'm gonna pause the video, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back, and I'm gonna end the video soon because, well, I need to eat, and so, yeah. But right now, I'll probably just show you all of the slides in Animal Jam, I guess. There's none in Apondale. Mount Chevere, there's one.
Hey,
There's one.
Go on.
Well, unfortunately, there is a change in plans. I have to get out now. But I'll be back later on and making more videos, obviously. But, see ya. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Peace.